Papaya is a delicious fruit. Papaya is a natural source of vitamins and minerals. These vitamins and minerals are most essential to keep your body healthy. Did you know that? Papayas contain the flavonoid beta carotene and lutein. They help to keep your immune system healthy. It is full of nutrients like carotene, flavonoids, vitamin C and vitamin B. These nutrients help to fight with infection and also help to remove toxins from body. Papayas contain 212 amino acids and several enzymes. Most important enzyme is papain that helps to digest proteins. Efficiency of vitamins in papaya is magnificent. Papaya has majorly vitamin C and A that helps in various skin problems. Learn about the benefits of papaya. Digestion. Papaya is a great fruit that strengthens digestive systems. It also helps to remove constipation, indigestion and acidity. Its great enzyme papain and fiber play an important role to digest proteins faster. Blood pressure. It contains vitamin A, B, C, D and an element carpine, which play an important role in controlling blood pressure. Potassium that plays an important role in reducing high blood pressure. Arthritis. Papaya also has anti-inflammatory properties. Its unique digestive enzymes papain and chemopapain help to reduce inflammation due to arthritis. Its antioxidants vitamin C are also good to treat joint pain. Weight loss. Papaya contains more nutrients and less calories. A medium-sized papaya contains just 120 calories. It is also rich in dietary fiber that helps in weight loss. Anti-aging. Papayas contain vitamin C and vitamin E, which help to prevent your skin free from radical damage. Its important enzymes papain kills dead cells and revitalizes the skin. It also keeps wrinkles and aging signs away. Enzyme of papaya's latex is useful to cure acne and burns. Use papaya's inner side to rub on your skin and see the results after 1 week. Good for eyes. Papayas are rich in vitamin A and flavonoids like beta-carotene, which are very important to keep your eyes healthy. It is beneficial to reduce the risk of developing macular degeneration. Immunity booster. Papaya acts as an excellent immunity booster. The antioxidants in papaya play an important role in improving the immunity system. A medium-sized papaya can fulfill your daily requirement of vitamin C. Menstrual pain. Papain helps in easing flow during menstrual periods of women. Women who experience menstrual pain should eat 200 grams of ripe papaya at least for 1 month. Top 5 side effects of papaya. May cause abortion. Raw papaya has been used as a natural way to terminate unwanted pregnancies. While ripe papayas are considered a safer option, there are chances of raw ones triggering uterine contractions due to the presence of latex. This in turn could cause an abortion, miscarriage, premature labor, abnormalities in the infant and stillbirth. Hamper food pipe. You are convinced papaya is the best fruit for you, but that doesn't mean you will indulge in it a bit too much. Overeating papaya can hurt your esophagus. May upset the stomach. Eating too much of papaya might upset your gastrointestinal system. This in turn will cause an upset stomach characterized by stomach irritation. Excess papaya intake may also cause abdominal cramps, bloating, flatulence, and nausea. Risk of kidney stone. A small papaya fruit is known to have 96 milligrams of vitamin C. Some studies show that a high intake of vitamin C can increase kidney stone risk in men. May not be safe during breastfeeding. People advise mothers not to feed papaya to infants below the age of 1. This could be due to the presence of fiber in abundance. It could trigger loose stools.